Hi, to change ringtone on your Xiaomi Mix Flip, we need to go in the settings first and here find the sound and vibration tab. Now in this upper panel we can see ringtone tab, just select it and we have two categories. Choose local and pre-installed ringtones. Let's go in the local first and here we got free apps from which we can select our new ringtone. We can select record the app, audio files or music. Now in the pre-installed ringtones we can go in the ringtone section and here select any from the system ones. And to check how it will sound you just need to tap it and that is how it will sound. So also if you tap it, this ringtone will be applied as your current ringtone immediately. And also we can go back in this app here and select something from the hot right now, for example love section. And let's select this sunshine. This is how it will sound. To set it as a ringtone, just tap this icon and confirm that you want to select this ringtone. And now simply wait a couple of seconds and now it is applied. So let's check it. For this I'm gonna go back in the phone settings and here adjust the volume of the ringtone. And yeah, here is our new song. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.